Hello and welcome back to this video on Business and Entrepreneurship Education Grade 8. Today we'll look at the second part of Unit 3, Production. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify and explain the different methods of production, recognize the role of technology in the production process, and explain the role of sustainable production in the modern world. First, let's look at the different methods of production. Some businesses produce one item at a time, while others produce in groups or on a larger scale. There are three methods of production. The first method of production is job production. Job production is when enterprises produce one unit at a time. The product is made according to the customer's taste and preferences. Examples of job production are hairdresser, wedding dressmaker, and customized birthday cakes. The second method of production is batch production. It is when enterprises manufacture products stage by stage in different batches. Examples of batch production are production of bread, production of tables, production of socks, and so on. The third method of production is flow production. Flow production is when firms continuously produce standardized output in large quantities. For example, production of cars, production of drugs, production of crisps, and so on. Now, let's look at technology in the production process. What is technology? Technology is the methods and tools used to facilitate a process. Technology facilitates production as many enterprises now use machineries and equipment in their manufacturing process. Benefits of technology in the production process. The use of technology in enterprises brings many advantages like higher quantity of output and better quality outputs are produced. Some examples of the use of technology in the production process are shown in the diagrams below. As it can be seen from the pictures, long ago hunters used sticks to hunt, while nowadays guns are more popular for hunting. Similarly, teaching was carried out using blackboards and chalks as compared to digital boards, which are increasingly being used. The use of technology in the production process. Nowadays, technology has evolved significantly. For example, in the production process, businesses now use a lot of, first, CAD, meaning computer-aided design, second, CAM, that is, computer-aided manufacturing, and lastly, 3D printing. Examples of technology in the production process are the use of robots in manufacturing, the use of machineries for different agricultural jobs, digital classroom, and others. Now, let's look at the importance of technology in the production process. Technology allows producers to produce high-quality output, produce more output, produce output faster, and produce variety of products. Sustainable production. Sustainable production is the production of output using processes and technology that protects the environment. Sustainable production is used for the following reasons: to reduce or avoid pollution and other environmental problems, to minimize wastage of scarce resources, to make efficient use of resources, and to conserve resources for future generations. Some examples of sustainable production are sorting out waste, using energy-saving devices, composting, using recycled and eco-friendly materials instead of plastic products, using solar energy, amongst others. Benefits of sustainable production to enterprises. What are the advantages of sustainable production to businesses? Firstly, it attracts environment-conscious consumers, thus increasing sales. Low cost by using cheaper renewable energies. Improve health and safety of workers and customers. And get access to government incentives like, for example, cheaper loans and lower taxes. Benefits of sustainable production to society. Scarce resources are preserved for future generations. Improves quality of life of people. More output can be produced to satisfy people's wants. And it is a solution for environmental problems like global warming. Examples of businesses which have adopted sustainable production are Nestlé, Coca-Cola Company Limited, Apple, and many others. Here are some links that you may follow for additional resources. Well, we've now reached the end of today's lesson. Until the next, goodbye.